Good evening, everybody. Look here. We are going to start that class 8th mathematics, and that is the brainstorming. In my previous lectures, we have solved so many different categories of the questions. Right now, see some different and some unique questions are remained that we have to solve today. Right now, see what is the question itself. Solve and find the value of a and b. No problem. Right now, see. Class 8 maths. Not a matter at all. Look here. Question is saying to me AB into 6. Look here. It is going to be little different question. That's why more and more concentration is necessary each and every second. Look here. AB into 6. I have to multiply 2 digits number are there. AB. And I have to multiply by 6, and after the result I have to get triple B. Means all the digits are same. B into B into B. All the digits, same digits I have to find out, and with the multiplication of with the multiplication of 6. So what is the logic here? Right now, see what I have done underline. I am making the underline here on the B. This is the unit digit, this is the unit digit. And what is the logic here? Actually, logic is totally based upon the unit digit. Logic is totally based upon the unit digit. Right now, see what are the things? B into 6, again B. Same thing I have written here. What are the unit digits? B into 6. We are not considering what is the number will come here, what is the number come here. Okay. Only we have our concentration is for that. 6 multiplied by B. Again we have to get B. For which particular digit when we are multiplying 6, again we are getting the same number. So right now see what I have written here, B into 6 is equal to B at the unit place digit. Right now see there might be the three situations. And what are these? These are either 2, 4 or 8. How 2, 4 or 8? You can say 6 2 ja 12. Again you can see I am multiplying 6 with the 2, and again I am getting the unit digit 2 here, because 12 unit digit 2. Again 6 multiplied by 4, what I am getting here? 24. Again you can see I am multiplying with 4, and again I am getting unit digit 4. I am multiplying with 8, and again I am getting unit digit 8. 6 8 yeah 48. With the others numbers you can also check, but you will not get the same number. Like 6 5 ja 30, you will get 0. You are multiplying with 5 and you are getting 0 at the unit place digit. So in this way there might be the only three situations, 4, 8 and 2. So this is the values of the B. These are the values of the B. B values are going to be fixed. Right now think about A. A may be any number. A may be any number. Right now see here I am going to be entangled. We can't do anything. We can go by trial and error method. So right now what I am doing? Right now see I have fixed the value A 3. I am fixing the value A 3. So 3 3 3 3 3 3 at every place. And what is the B value? 2 4 and 8. 2 4 and 8. 2 4 and 8. And what we have to multiply? Multiply with the 6. So I have done same like that. Here the value of A, it is going to be fixed for 3. Values of B you are knowing from here, either 2, 4 or 8. So we have to multiply with the same number 6 6 6. And what is the result? 192. Either 192 all the digits are same? No. 204, again it is a wrong number because all the digits are not same. 228, not same. Same. Here I am going to change the situation. Here I am fixing the value A 4. Here I am fixing the value A 4. And again B values will be the same, either 2, 4 or 8. You can see 4, 2 or 8 at the unit place. And again we have to multiply with the 6 into 6 into 6. What are the product that you can do? These are the product and these are the wrong answers. Why? Because I want the answer should be all the digits should be same. B. Okay. Right now see this is not a situation. Again I am here fixing the value A 5. I am going to fix the value A 5. And again the B value either it will be 4, 2 or 8. Multiply with the 6 into 6 into 6. These are the product. Again you can see 324. All the numbers are different. 312 numbers are different. 348 numbers are different. Same like that. Here I am fixing the value A 6. Here I am fixing the value A 6. Again the B value should be either 2, 4 or 8. Multiply with the same digit 6 6 6. These are the product. Again you can see 372 product, all the digits are different, digits are different, digits are different. Same like that. Again, whenever we are reaching till the 7, again I am going to fix the value A 7, and the values of B will be either 2, 4 or 8, and I have to multiply with the 6. So see what happens here. When here the product 432, again the different digits, but here you can see 444. 444 means same digit, and that was our requirement. Actually that was our requirement, so this is the answer. So see here again I am going to solve 74 into 6, 6 4 ja 24, carry 2, 6 7 ja 42, plus 2 44. So what is the value of A here? 7, and what is the value of B here? 444 means 4. So that is the overall solution for this particular question. Look here, after that I will solve the another question. So actually these are the things. Okay, but what you can do, directly you can learn the values. So in such kind of the questions, what is the logic which works for you, directly you can learn it. Okay, because in the exam hall you will not get such kind of the time. So such type of the fixed questions definitely come. So directly you can learn it, and in this way you can find the solution. Right now I am rubbing the board. See here. See the another kind of the question, and that is what this AB into AB, and again the result is 6AB. So again randomly we have to go with the digits and we have to check the results. Not is the solution right now. AB into AB means it is the like 12 into 12 I can check. So I will get 144. Meaning is that, see here, somewhere some kind of the things it will give me the hints. What is the hint here? This 6 is the hint for you. This 6 is going to be hint for you. Meaning is that this particular product 6AB, it will be in between 600 to 700. In between 600 to 700, that is the product 6AB. What is the meaning by it? We should check the number. For example, I am going to check the number like 15 into 15. So what is the result? 225. So here you can see only it is 200 something. So what I should check with the biggest number? Like for example 20 into 20. It is going me 400. So again 4 is here. I want 600 something. So in this way you can see 24 into 24. So what I will get? 576. And after that finally I will reach 25 into 25, and it is giving me 625, and that is our requirement. See here 25 into 25, and last both digits are same, 25 25, and again AB into AB, compare with this, and 6AB 6AB 6AB. So right now see I am solving here only. 25 multiply by 25 will give you 625, and it is the solution for it. And according to this you can say what is the value of A? Value of A will be 2. What is the value of B? Value of B will be 5, and that is your answer. So in this way you have to catch the hints. Like whatever I have got here 600 something, so I have to go for 600 something, and it is a square because we are multiplying the same digit with the same digit. 12 into 12, 13 into 13, 14 into 14, such kind of that we have to go, and no need to check each and every digits. Whatever I have done here 15 into 15, 200 something, so I am increasing the number 20 into 20, such kind of the things you have to do there. So this was the solution. Okay, I am rubbing the board. Go for the next question. Look here, whatever the next question I have written here for my information. Look here, A double A multiply by again A, and it is giving me CAB. Such kind of the questions are very, it looks easy but it is very typical and difficult. Look here again, there is no hint. Right now see, no hints are given to you. How to solve? Only the numbers are like that, A into A into A. So nothing, and here not a single number is there. Like right now see CAB, meaning is that not a digits I am getting here. So only I have to go for the trial and error method. So what is the solution? You can see you have to do some kind of the rough work, okay, and whatever the final solution directly you will solve in the notebook. Right now see double A into A, it is giving me the hint that like 66 into 6 I have to find out, 77 into 7 I have to find out, 88 into 8 I have to find out. So these are the things which I have to do. 99 into 9 I have to do. And what is the logic here? See here, A and the middle is also A. So I have to match the answer with the middle digit. I have to match the answer with the middle digit. Meaning is that 66 into 6, middle digit should be 6. Middle digit should be either 6, middle digit should be either 7, middle digit should be either 8, middle digit should be either 9. And this way I can check for the 3 also, 4 also, no problem is there, no problem. So right now one by one we have to do and check it. 6 6 ja 36, carry 3. Again 6 6 ja 36 plus 3, 9. So here 6 6 6, but the middle digit is 9. 6 6 6, but the middle digit is 9. What I want? A, middle digit should be also A, but here it is a different digit, so it is not my solution. This is going to be wrong, no problem. Again I am not getting the solution, so try for the next. 7 7 ja 49, what is the carry 4 here? 7 7 ja again 49, and 49 plus 4 if you add, so what will you get? 49 plus 4, it will give you 53. Again check 7 7 7, but middle digit is 3. Opposite digit we are getting at the middle, meaning is that again it is not more my solution. Go for the next one, no problem. 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja 64, 6 on carry. Again 8 8 ja 64, and 64 plus 6, 64 plus 6 will give you 70. Check the digits, 8 8 8, but middle digit is 0, different digit. It is not my solution. Right now go for the next one. 9 9 ja 81, 9 9 ja 81, so 8 on carry, okay, and again 9 9 ja 81, again 9 9 ja 81, and 81 plus 8, 89. Right now see 9 9 9, and middle digit is also 9. That is our requirement, meaning is that this is going to be the solution for it. So rubbing the other things from here, and again I am going for the final solution. And what is that? Solution will be 9 9 into 9, 9 9 ja 81, 8 on carry, 9 9 ja 81 plus 8, 89. And by seeing both you can calculate what is the value of A here, 9, and what is the value of B here. B is the 1. See, match the things. A into A, 9 9 into 9, meaning is that A is equal to 9, B is equal to 1, because this is the B is the unit digit, B is coming 1 here. And what is the value of C? C the value, C, compare with the 100 place digit, it is going to be 8. So these are the values for A, B and C. This is the final answer. Right now see, in the next lecture I will solve some other question for you. Thank you so much.